Making a complete website backup with UpdraftPlus is fairly simple. You can get to the UpdraftPlus page by looking under your settings menu. And when you're here, you will see options that tell you what the current status of your site is. But the easiest way to make a full backup is to simply click the Backup Now button. It will ask if you want to include the database in the backup and if you want to include the files. So if you're only making a database backup, you can uncheck the files box. If you are doing an update and you only want to make a backup of the files, you could simply uncheck the database. However, since the database is usually a fairly small file, all things considered, I typically would run it even in a file backup. And then I'm going to click the Backup Now button. So it will start. It may take a few minutes depending on many factors like the size of the site and the amount of files and the speed of your hosting company. So if you have other things to do, you can just let this run in the background and go and do them. I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back once it is finished. Okay, so now that the backup has completed, you'll see that the progress bar here has simply changed to specify when the last backup job was run, and you'll see that that just happened a few minutes ago. So if you want to go to see that backup, you're going to go to the Existing Backups tab, and you will see here the current backup. And the way Updraft Plus creates backups is it does it in parts. So here's your database file, the plugins file, the themes file, the uploads, and then any other files. So you'll need to download all of these to the computer to have a complete backup. What you can always do is create a folder on your computer with the backup date. For instance, it could be backup 2018 February 16, and put all of these files inside that so that you keep all of the backup files together.